Hey yogis, welcome to my channel. My name is Kassandra, and today I'm going to take you through a very beginner-friendly meditation technique called a mantra meditation or affirmation meditation. So if you feel like meditation is really hard, or you're not sure that you're doing it right, or maybe you've never even tried meditating before, this is the technique of meditation that worked the best for me when I was just starting off. What happens with a lot of people when they're just starting off with meditation is that it's really hard to create gaps between your thoughts or to not think about something, and then you feel like you failed if your mind was busy and distracted the entire time. You get discouraged and then you stop and you don't try it again. So for me, the affirmation meditation or mantra meditation is great because it kind of gives your brain something to do and something to focus on so that the rest can just drift away. And you do come out of the meditation with a really nice sense of peace and spaciousness, and you get all the same benefits of meditation as you would if you weren't trying to practice a mantra meditation. So it's very simple. All you're going to do is sit up nice and tall. You could even do this lying down if it's difficult for you to stay seated, but you're just closing your eyes, and we're going to internally repeat the the mantra, so hum. So hum. This means I am, or I am that. So this concept of I am, just focusing really on the present moment and on the presence of yourself in this moment. So the essence of your very being. And it really just gives your brain something to focus on as you breathe quietly and internally repeat, so hum. So hum. So hum. And of course, I'm saying it out loud, but you would repeat it internally. And if you notice your brain starting to drift and going to other different kinds of thoughts, just lovingly bring it back to that mantra meditation. And of course, at home, eventually you're welcome to make this your own and to use your own mantras and your own affirmations. But let's just begin. Get as comfortable as you would like, maybe placing your palms either in your lap or over on your knees. Roll your shoulders down and away from your ears. Close your eyes and get your breath to a rhythm that is sustainable, that is soft, even relaxing into your facial muscles. And don't worry about not thinking or anything like that. Instead, focus your intention and focus your thoughts on the mantra. So hum. I am. And start to repeat it internally on your own. So hum. So hum. So hum. Continue with the mantra for about 1 more minute. So hum. So hum. So hum. Take some deeper breaths into your belly, releasing the mantra, and focusing back on the physical sensations. And we'll draw our hands together at the front of the heart. Cleansing breath in through your nose and out your mouth. Bowing forward. Namaste. Thank you so much, yogis. So this was a very short meditation. So it was very brief, but that's definitely what I recommend if you're new to meditation. Keep it very short. That way you can kind of build up the endurance and get a little bit more confidence in your meditation and not get discouraged, because it is challenging at first. And I'd love to know how this went for you. Do you find it a little bit easier? If you have a mantra to focus on, it kind of gives your mind something to do so that you don't have to worry about trying not to think, which is so very challenging. So I hope you enjoyed it. If you would like more meditation on my channel, please leave me a comment down below. Let me know, and do subscribe. I put out new videos every single week. Thank you again. Namaste.